Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Anipa. I'm from 7th semester of English Education Department at STKIP Muhammadiyah Bogor. In this video, I will present my presentation about Grecian maxims and the relation to humor. This presentation to fulfill my pragmatic midterm test. So continue to the material. The first material is the cooperative principle. The cooperative principle is the collective name for full graces for conversation. Full grace come up with this not as a set of perspective rules that people should follow in conversation, but as a means of describing and analyzing the way people convey meanings in real-life interaction. There are four the maxim. The first one is the maxim of quantity, giving only the necessary amount of information, not too much or too little. The second one is the maxim of quality, only speaking the truth, not knowingly giving false information. The third one is the maxim of relation, being relevant to the current topic of conversation. And the last one is the maxim of manner, avoiding ambiguity or obscurity in your speech. The next slide is about the concept of humor or joke. As a cultural code and a language code, humor is a cultural product that functions as a binding them and story fact. As a cultural code and language code, humor is the result of the culture of the supporting community so that its identity as humor can only be given full meaning by the community itself. In its relationship, as a language code, there are three ways to create humor, namely meaning deviation, sound distortion, and the formation of new words. Deviations in meaning can be in the form of shifting components of meaning, polysemy, and homonymy. According to Wijana, 2004, page 26. Wijana added that humor is an independent event or condition. That is, humor is not always funny and is not fixed in one form. Plus, humor doesn't hold a monopoly that forces everyone to laugh. Reactions that arise because of humor can be in the form of a smile in the column, an open smile, and even crying. These reactions are a manifestation of the relaxation of tense nerves. With the above facts, it can be said that humor has a central role in human life, namely as a means of entertainment and education in order to improve the quality of human life. This seems not much different from the opinion according to Dhananjaya Piyawijana, 2004, page 27, which says that in society, humor, both erotic and social in nature, serves as solace. This is because humor can channel inner tensions concerning the inequality of societal norms that are relaxed through laughter. And the next slide is about why people laugh at certain events or sessions of comedy movies or stand-up comedy. The form of deviation from the maxim of cooperation in stand-up comedy consists of the form of deviation from the maxim of single and multiple maxims. The deviation of the single maxim is the deviation of the maxim of quantity, maxim of quality, maxim of relevance, and maxim of implementation. The multiple maxim deviations include quantity relevance maxim, quantity quality maxim, execution quantity maxim, and quality relevance maxim. The most widely used form of deviation is the maxim of quality because in this case the speech in stand-up comedy delivered by komik perempuan in Indonesia from 2020 until June 2014 is not accompanied by informative and factual speech. The purpose of the deviation from the principle of cooperation in stand-up comedy presented by komik perempuan in Indonesia from 2020 until June 2014, which was found with the purpose of being funny and satire. The purpose of the deviation from the maxim of cooperation that is more dominant in is information intended to be funny because the purpose of stand-up comedy is for entertainment. So, the reason why people laugh at certain events or sessions of comedy movies or stand-up comedy is because its purpose is to entertain by making people who see it laugh. So that's all my presentation. I'm so sorry for my mistake. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.